Good afternoon and welcome to the briefing from the Board of Directors of Gemfree Group with featuring our heads of marketing and technical development departments, which was hosted on Monday, January 27th of 2020. My name is Oleg Lipovetsky and I will be translating on behalf of the Board of Directors. Alexander Kachinovsky speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends. Today we have a conference during which we will be answering your specific questions that you've submitted previously. We've been receiving your questions over the course of the month and will now answer them, as well as we will conduct the second stage of our lottery at the end of this conference. Firstly, a reminder, our schedule of conferences for the following week is depicted on the slide. Today we have an important conference during which our heads of marketing and departments will answer your questions and also will discuss the latest developments in their departments. On February 3rd, we will have a news conference which will be followed by a presentation of our business on February 10th and a briefing with the Board of Directors on February 17th. Moreover, January turned out to be quite a profound month, not the most powerful compared to other months, although one of the strongest Januaries yet. Let's summarize the results of earnings and work conducted over the course of last week, and as you can see, the geography of those partners is widespread from Canada to Japan and Indonesia, and over the course of last week, 30 partners from 7 countries earned more than €1,000 in just 1 week. 14 partners from 5 countries with earnings of more than €2,000, 7 partners from 3 countries more than €3,000, 4 partners from 3 countries with earnings of more than €5,000, and 2 partners from 2 countries with earnings of more than €10,000. And our top earning partner of last week earned €17,000. These are the profitability rates of our project for those partners who wish to earn not just when the project is finished and is sold, but also while it is being developed. Moreover, I would also like to conclude the results of a very interesting contest that we've had over the course of January. There were many votes casted and we also had 2 parts to this contest, the video promotion and the text portion. After extensive contest, we now had the winners, and let's congratulate the winners of the video history contest, who are Sergei Kolosovsky for first place, Anton Knyazev for second place, Olga Lyovkina with third place, and complimentary prize from the Board of Directors with 10 shares goes to Widi Juniarji from Indonesia. So be sure to check out his video as well, as it was very powerful and motivating, for which he also won a prize. While also winners of the History of Success text version contest are Valentina Vershinina with first place, Edwin Soro with second place, Galina Bashevan third place, and complimentary prize from the Board of Directors goes to Galina Antufieva as well. And on this note, I am passing the word to Denis Galka, the head of our developers team, who will discuss the latest notions and will also answer your questions. Denis Galka speaking. Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning in to our conference today. My name is Denis Galka and I am the head of development of Gemfree project. Today, I will be discussing the results of our technological development for the month of January. We will be discussing the following notions since we have a new release upcoming in the following few days. As today, we will discuss the release of the Android version, the release of the iOS version, as well as of the web version, new functions being added to Gemfree, and as well answer your questions. Firstly, what will the new Android version include? The mention a user functionality, localization of the application, ability to select multiple messages and apply various functions to them, passport and marketing, and correction of errors. These are all the functions that we are improving and introducing to the new application. Moreover, the mention a user functionality is a very convenient feature that helps one communicate directly with a particular user in a group chat. In order to use it, simply enter the @ symbol and a list of users of a particular group chat will pop up. Choose the person that you wish to speak to, write out your message, and send it. The user that you address will receive a personalized message that is marked with a special sign that depicts that he or she was addressed. This functionality works even when a group chat is muted. Next, applications localization. We've added a screen to the settings menu that allows you to choose what language the application will speak, although it will by default take on the language that your device is set to unless changed by the user. Moreover, you are now able to select multiple messages and it is very convenient. It allows to apply certain actions to multiple messages at once, in case you wish to forward several messages to somebody else. Simply press and hold any message that you will be able to select other messages as well as several options of what you would like to do with them. Additionally, passport and marketing features are now available and we integrated them with the MarketSpace platform. We are continuously adding new functions in order to decrease the currently in development screens within the application. In other news, the iOS version also received a few updates, such as the 100 most recent messages add-on and about the application screen. With this release, we introduced the chat screen that now depicts all of the messages, while sending messages will become available in the next release. The reason due to the fact that we are completely rewriting the application and the current beta versions do not provide 100% usability on the iOS version yet. Additionally, about the application screen is meant to help users view the version of their application as well as our social networks in which you are able to participate in questionnaires, view the latest news and releases and what will be introduced in the future. Also, we included the contact support button on the screen for the convenient and prompt way to get in touch with our support service and report any issues to us. Next, the web version also has some new features introduced to it. Featuring the login screen was completely revamped, the pop-up window with information about a user and a group, a new design for the window creating a new channel, and in this release we've also updated a portion of screens for the new design. Firstly, the new login screen was introduced, which also now has instructions on how to log into the web version. The instructions are available in both Russian and English languages. Additionally, the window depicting information about a group or a particular user is another useful feature that helps to get a quick breakdown about a group or a person. And lastly, the new design for creating a channel. It now looks in accordance to our overall design of the application. Let's now discuss some of the new functionality features, as the redesign of our application will be completed very soon and we are considering what needs to be done next. We've discussed numerous notions and came up with several aspects that we would potentially be interested in developing. Let's discuss each of them in further detail. Firstly, the new public channels. Most of you may know that we have localized news channels that discuss the most recent developments in a particular area. Although, if you are not aware of them, finding the application may not be as straightforward. Therefore, we are thinking of creating a separate screen on which you will be able to choose the particular channels of interest and join them. Secondly, the platform for chatbots will allow to create about that will not only assist you in various requests within the application, but also personalize our interaction in your interaction within the application itself. Thirdly, rewarded activities, in which we will reward those users who complete certain minor tasks with points, such as inviting friends to the application and other aspects, and consequently the points can be exchanged for prizes, sticker packages, discounts in MarketSpace, and much more. And lastly, user sticker packages that will allow for any user to create their own stickers. We are still contemplating which of these features are most wanted and therefore are conducting various questionnaires in all of our groups. Please express your opinion, as we are looking forward to seeing what needs to be worked on next. And now, I would like to answer the questions that we received recently. First question was regarding the problems with voice calls and why is it taking a long time to fix the issue. Yes, we are aware of the issues with calls and we are currently in the process of total reprogramming of the whole feature. And I will give you a sneak peek on how these calls will look like soon after they are completed. Our talented team of designers created these renderings to show how incoming, outgoing, and video calls will now look like. These are the notions that we are working on very hard and will be working effortlessly soon enough. The next question was regarding the iOS version being rewritten. What coding language are we using and why is it taking a long time to complete? To answer this technical question, the architecture of the previous iOS version was not perfect. The coding language was highly intertwined, which made any further developing more complicated and made project development slow down. It also was highly dependent on external libraries that were not scaled right and also set certain limitations for the future developments of our application. At one point, working on a simple button update would take a very long time due to the high dependability, while now we use Swift 5 code language and all of the latest technologies speak it. It takes time as the application needs to be of a very high quality, and we are also foreseeing its development in the future. We use clean architecture approach and the solid coding techniques. The next question was regarding the design of the new version of Gem4me. In this world, all of the modern technologies and tendencies evolve and develop at rapid speeds, as well as new trends and standards. We are striving to march in pace with the latest tendencies with our design of the application and its functionality. It may not be simple to use at first, but our design was developed to simplify communication and introduce a fewer future developments. On this note, I would like to thank you for your time, as I am now passing the word to Valery Ostrikov, the member of the Board of Directors. Valery Ostrikov speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and I would like to briefly answer some questions regarding our MarketSpace platform. Currently, the revolution of platforms is taking over the world and is covering a wide array of technologies and services, from Airbnb replacing hotels to Amazon replacing the need for a grocery store. Most importantly, these platforms don't have any special resources, but rather they simply connect the provider of a service or a merchant with customers via their platforms. We are creating a global platform that will connect merchants and buyers through Gem4me and will allow for them to effectively communicate with one another. The platform will allow to receive a wide range of information regarding products and services, reviews and ratings all in one place, which is very convenient and will save lots of valuable time. Consequently, it will drastically increase the value of our MarketSpace platform. Let's now answer some questions that we received in this regard. Currently, when making a purchase in MarketSpace, I have to discuss several notions regarding payment and delivery of a product. When will these functions be automated approximately, and when will financial services be included for payments, as well as when will logistic companies be introduced for product delivery? All of these just to make purchasing a product as easy as it is in other marketplaces without the need to talk to a seller. And can the following notion be done? When clicking on a particular product of interest, for a whole section of products to be offered by the merchant, their characteristics and prices to be depicted as well. To answer both of these questions, MarketSpace is being worked on and improved currently, as we are expecting to introduce the financial services in the first half of the second quarter of this year. We are actively negotiating with various acquirers and are striving to comply with all the legal, financial, and security requirements. Moreover, we are planning to introduce the Dialogue with Merchants feature and will publish the roadmap soon, depicting the approximate dates of when the various notions will be introduced and improved step by step. Question number 3. There are currently local applications that host 580,000 classifieds for $13 per month. How much will it cost to promote markets in our messenger, and how competitive will this notion be due to other similar applications? Currently, our concept considers placements of a new market on the platform completely free of charge, while the system of marketing for promoting a particular product or store is being worked on as well. The advantage of having our messenger on the same platform is the market that is placed on our platform will be available to all those numerous users that are already using our messenger all over the world. Next question. We all know AliExpress pretty well. All of the purchasing processes are automated in it, from selecting a product to the delivery. Customers are used to this level of service. Why do we see our MarketSpace being as much in demand as AliExpress? I understand we do not have the task of achieving the same results as AliExpress, but what advantages will our platform have over other marketplaces? What notion of our will attract a large amount of users? Once again, the notion that is particularly attractive about our platform is having a built-in messenger, as users that place their markets on our platform gain access to a wide range of potential customers from all over the world. Moreover, the financial system is also yet another advantage, apart from many others that will set us apart from competition. As the project continues developing, we will discuss the notions that are being introduced as well. On this note, I would like to thank you for your time, as I am now passing the word to head of our marketing department, who will discuss numerous notions that are currently being worked on as well. Ekaterina Averyanova speaking. Good afternoon, and let's continue our conference today as I will discuss our latest marketing strategies and news. Firstly, we are continuously introducing new sticker packages as we are striving to create a celebratory atmosphere for special occasions, as well as for the stickers to be applicable in various parts of the world. We have users from 263 countries of the world in the Messenger, a rather great variety, which is why we are working on dynamic growth of our stickers for use in various parts of the world currently. Moreover, as you may know, our Yandex Zen channel is doing quite well, and I wanted to discuss its latest statistics. There were 54 materials published over the course of 38 business days. A 72,000 user outreach was reached, an average CTR of 10%, which is a high number as most channels hold a 5% average CTR, and the channel is maintained by one editor and 5 authors, each of whom specialize in their own areas, including one owner of a website discussing smartphones and one writer. Furthermore, as per marketing plans for 2020, we are anticipating the following notions. All of these goals will help to promote our application further and gain a considerable amount of users. Firstly, the popularization of a messenger and market space as a brand. Next, growth of audience through paid advertising channels and through PR campaigns. Market research and adding in-demand functionalities to the application in order to grow the amount of loyal users, accumulate statistics and analysis for advertising purposes and user experience in order to scale advertising campaigns and increase user satisfaction, and realization of mounting strategies in order to grow the value of the application itself. Currently, the promotional activities are being maintained and are as follows. We are continuously promoting our application on Facebook, Google, and Yandex, which generates 300,000 new users to join the application from all over the world through these channels monthly. And the following is planned for the introduction when the functionality of the application is working effortlessly and without any issues. Advertising video networks, ASO, which is optimization in app stores, advertising nets, external advertising, and promotion through regional influencers as well. We've also had a couple questions regarding the sale of the Messenger, which is why I wanted to focus some attention on this issue. We are doing everything in our power to make our products the best and most in demand on the market. As the result, we are constantly working on new functionalities for the application, conduct tests and research, and use the latest methods for developing and promoting. Therefore, by completing the main stage of applications development, the foundation of which we were establishing over the course of the whole last year, and by continuously introducing new notions to market space, we will generate an in-demand product that will organically attract new users as a product of quality and in demand sells itself. As the result, in accordance to the latest trends of the market, all developing companies and service aggregators are striving to create multifunctional applications which are known as super applications. These applications combine a wide array of services that are able to practically solve any of the user's tasks. These applications include a social network, a messenger, games, dating services, marketplaces, services for transferring funds, exchanging funds, insurance, ordering food or a taxi, reserving hotels, and much more. Several major Russian companies are preparing to launch super applications of their own that will be competing with one another. And we are ahead of this trend despite of our market space, as we are currently working on introducing a payments between users functionality, a chatbot platform, a loyalty program, and another additional functionalities that will further increase appeal and loyalty towards our platform overall. In the modern days, those who have information are on top of the world. Both Google and Facebook corporations continue to prove this notion, whose core monetization is directly tied into selling information about its users, which is anonymized data that helps to target and deliver advertising to the fitting users, thus increasing the possibility of one user making a purchase. For instance, in order to get such information, Facebook uses its WhatsApp Messenger. Our company is planning to gather similar information and securely use it for similar purposes, which will positively influence the estimated value of the application, will allow to monetize the information, while also providing internal users with an instrument for promoting own channels, products, and services. On this note, I would like to thank you for your time, as I am now passing the word to Alexander Kuchinovsky, the member of the Board of Directors. Alexander Kuchinovsky speaking. Let's now continue our conference with current promotions and also conduct the second stage of our lottery. Firstly, we are excited to commemorate the growth of our user base, as we are currently at 11,125,000 of users. Let's keep up the hard work and attain our goal of 50 million of users within this year of 2020. Our current promotions are still valid, so be sure to take advantage of them, while I will briefly discuss them again as well. Firstly, the cashback for cryptocurrency promotion is valid, where a partner can receive 5% cashback from his or her purchases when paying for a package using encrypted currency. Moreover, the main promotion, Increase Your CCA, and a package of shares can be divided into 3 parts in order to grasp the most amount of partners, ranging from those purchasing the smallest packages to the largest ones available. The double CCA promotion is still valid, so be sure to take advantage of it while it is being offered. We've also extended our Super Package promotion, a rather groundbreaking and effective promotion that is widely popular in demand. Starting January 28th, CCA 10 will be achieved not by a purchase of 3 invest packages, but 4, and it will only continue to grow from there. The Maximized Advantages promotion continues as well, while the amount of gift shares is slowly decreasing, so in order to maximize it, be sure to use it sooner. Moreover, conditions of the Super Package promotion will change in February of 2020. Complete the required volume to attain CCA 10. Don't forget of our CCA 10 Your Powerful Surrounding and a gift portfolio of shares promotion. This promotion does not have an expiration date, although the Board of Directors can end it at any time based on the remaining amount of shares. Also, our event in Moscow will be hosted on May 15th in the Four Seasons Hotel, and out of 500 tickets, 220 have already been sold. Be sure to make your decision soon, as the tickets will not be available for much longer. Additionally, a reminder that we also have a new schedule of events, including our Academy of Success. These events continue to be very helpful and profound for those who do attend them, so be sure to contact the host for the event that you wish to attend to improve your work. And lastly, let's get to the lottery. We will be conducting the second stage of the lottery today, but before doing so, let's read some of the reviews from the winners of the last stage. Nina Karidze from Russia. On January 20th, I won a prize in the lottery, an iPhone XR. As a result, my partner from Krasnodar purchased a premium package, and I am grateful to her for that. My husband and I thought, why will we need a 4th iPhone, as we've already received the smartphones from the company previously, and instead used the funds to purchase a super package with 3 invest packages. We are now waiting for the next stage of the lottery, as we will be able to once again test our luck. Thank you to our favorite company and our team. Roman Burdik from Russia. I've been with our company since 2019. As today, my CCA is at 6. I was so astonished when my lottery ticket became the winning one during the previous conference. I won a wonderful gadget, an iPhone 11. At the same time as the lottery, the double CCA promotion is valid, which I also managed to use. I am grateful for our wonderful company for such generous promotions. I wish for everyone to increase their CCAs and participate in the lottery. Each of the company's partners has the chance to participate now. Nina Makarova from Russia. I joined the company in November of 2018, and I am grateful to my sponsors Tatiana Naumova and Olga Vereshchagina. The confirmation of the righteousness During the lottery stage on December 28th of 2018, I won the first time. A year later, and a new surprise, I won the Samsung Galaxy A30 during the first stage of this year's lottery. It is great to start the day by receiving numerous congratulatory messages for such a great present from the company. I always wait for the next lottery stages, and when your name is called, it is so unbelievable and exciting. I am grateful to the board of directors for creating such a great project. Miracles do happen. And without any further ado, let's set off our second stage of the lottery, during which we will find out first 8 lucky winners of today's lottery. Traditionally, our first category is drafting prizes between those who purchases the Go packages. The prize in this category is 2 Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphones, the latest smartphones from Samsung in this category, a very modern and popular gadget. And let's now find out who will be the first lucky winner of our second lottery stage. Who will own the first Samsung this week? And it is Vera Kryat from Kaliningrad, Russia. It is great to see her as the first winner, and it is very well deserved. Let's get to the second Samsung gadget now, and the second winner today turns out to be Igor Sirik from Ufa, Russia. Congratulations, and let's keep up the hard work, and we are looking forward to your reviews next week. Now, let's move on to the second category, in which the gift is the latest version of iPad, a very in-demand gadget with its latest version, and this is for buyers and sponsors of Biz packages. Let's find out who will be lucky to take the first iPad of today's lottery, and Oksana Zavrajnaya from Tynda, Russia. Congratulations, and we hope that you enjoy your brand new gadget. Let's move on to the second lucky winner of an iPad today, and it is Margarita Iglina from Perm, Russia. She is the second lucky winner today, and that is very exciting to see. Congratulations to all the winners so far, as your hard work has paid off and luck smiled at you. And now, our third category is for buyers and sponsors of premium packages with a prize fund of 2 iPhone XRs this week. A gadget that is desired by so many. Let's get right to it, and the first prize is taken by Franciska Minglenie from Plungy, Lithuania. Congratulations, and let's move on now to finding out the second winner of an iPhone XR this week. And it looks like the lucky winner is Vita Simonova from Moscow, Russia. Congratulations on your luck, and congratulations to all the winners this week so far. And the most anticipated and desired gadget of the year, iPhone 11, is for buyers and sponsors of Invest packages. And let's see who the lucky 2 winners of this great gadget will be today. Let's do the first iPhone, and it is Anna Madlovtseva from Nizhny Novgorod, Russia. A well-deserved victory. Now the next iPhone 11 of today goes to Yelena Uvarova from Moscow, Russia. This is great. Now, let's find out who the winners of the last and most anticipated category of prizes is, which is for buyers and sponsors of the largest package available, the Super Package, with gifts of iPhone 11 Pro, the most powerful gadget from Apple. Let's do the first iPhone, and it is Margarita Baum from Lingen-Ems, Germany. A well-deserved victory for Margarita. Now, the next iPhone 11 Pro of today goes to Roman Zuba from Stary Oskol, Russia. This is great. Congratulations to all the winners of today's lottery stage, and the next lottery will be hosted on February 3rd during our following conference. We wish luck to all the participants. Let's keep up the hard work, and until we meet next time.